Welcome back, everybody. Foxbody Garage back on the C10 swap LS 480 horse 6L80 transmission. Okay. In the previous video, I showed you how to plug and play the sensors. Once again, this is a connecting cruise setup from Chevrolet. Comes with the wiring harness, engine, transmission, and fuse box, relay, and all the transmission controller and stuff like that, because this transmission is controlled electronically and it's built into the ECM. We haven't got up to that part just yet, but today's task is where we left off, which is going to be to mount the fuse box and the ECU inside the cab. We don't want to put it under the hood, even though the instructions states that it is allowed to be under the hood as long as it's away from heat and splash points for water, which we already know. So with that said, let's just get a quick overview of what we did yesterday in the last video. And this is what we did. So we got all the wiring harness, injectors, mass air, crank sensor, knock sensor, coolant temperature, drive-by-wire, throttle body, engine harness is in. We shot it through the hole down there. Down there, there was a hole already in the there was a hole already in the firewall that we utilized. We didn't want to make any extra holes if we didn't have to. And we got the check engine light, the OBD2 port, and we got the drive-by wire for the gas pedal. This is, let me see if I get a little light on the subject, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Most of you are probably at work where I usually am. Like I stated a few videos ago, I'm on vacation. We're leaving tomorrow for 5 days. We're probably going to go up in the country somewhere with my beautiful daughter and family. She's so shy, but she helps Daddy in the garage a ton. A ton. Little Sal hasn't been around. He was a bad boy, so he got stuck going to summer school. But he learned his lesson. That's what he told me this morning when I put him on the bus. I'm going to pay attention from now on. This is not fair. Well, when Daddy told you, listen to the teachers. Don't be a wise guy. You don't want to listen, but he learned now. Looking for a light. Anybody see the light, Nina? Yeah, let me get that light, please. Thank you for having it charged for Daddy. Alright, back to the video, guys. Like I said, hopefully everybody's having a good day. Alright, so this is what we got. We got the ECU connectors, okay? I'm pretty sure they only go in one way, and they look color-coded to me. You got white, black, and blue. Let's see what the ECU shows. Where is the ECU? Anybody see the ECU? I believe this is the transmission harness, and for the decoder digital. We'll get an in-depth on that when we get up to it, guys. We lost the ECU. That wouldn't be good. Bear with me, fellas. We're trying to find the ECU. Where is the ECU? Nifty Nina, have you seen the ECU around? Oh boy. is the ECU. We'll call him back. Where is the ECU, guys? Oh, open your eyes. All right. There's the ECU right there, and it is color coded. Perfect. Blue, black, and white. Blue, black, and white. Can't get that screwed up. Okay. So my thought is to mount this up here like that. I don't know if you can see it. Let's get a better light. Anyway, you guys, you get the picture. I'm going to try to mount this up here, and we're going to get the fuse box next to it. So that's today's task. Let's see if we can get it done, and we'll get back to you with an update, and then we can mount the drive-by-wire pedal, something to this effect. But what I did notice, Nina, if you could hold the camera for us. What I did notice is that the throw is very little from idle to wide open. So we don't need much on that. So we'll see how that works out. So that's today's task for me and my daughter, Nifty Nina. I gave her a new name, Nifty Nina, because she's very, very good with the tools and helps her father every day in the garage. So with that said, guys, stay tuned. We'll be back. Let me see how long or what it takes to get that thing mounted, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned for an update. We'll be back. Peace. All right, everybody, welcome back. Update. Foxbody Garage. My daughter helped me again. We mounted 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 is for the computer, and 1 is for the fuse box. Let me show you how I did it. This is what I would do, the best I could do. I don't know if they like it, they don't like it, but I believe that's gonna work for me. How's that? Beautiful. If you ever gotta open the fuse box, you could get to it. We still got to put power, ground, and we got the ignition and the fuel pump wires, and I'm not really sure what this is yet. What does it say? It says bulkhead fitting, so I don't know what that's about yet either. The ECU is mounted up nicely. Put 2 bolts. They should be more than enough to hold the ECU. This fuse box only comes with 1 attachment, 1 bolt to mount it. Right back here, up here. I put that in. So, let me see, can we get these vents off? Or they're going to be a pain in the ass. I'm not even going to pull them off. Let's see if we can pull them out of the way. Anyway, yep, that's the fuse box mounted. So, pretty much when we put the carpet up and everything, you won't see it. Obviously, it's above the blue that they painted. Both my, so that should clear, shouldn't have no problem. Oh, look at that. The hose came off, that's great. Let's see, can we get this one off? Yes, we can. Oh, look at that. Tie wraps. Tie wraps holding on the holes. Alright, that works. I mean, there's wires all over the place. I'm not even touching none of the wires from anybody else's work. But here's the fuse box. Here's the ECU. Wires are tucked up here nice. I put a nice beautiful strap to hold both of my cables. My wires are tucked up there pretty nicely. Like I said, this I don't know what it's for. These brown wires in the back of the fuse box, I don't know what it's for. This is pretty solid, ain't going nowhere. So next we got to work on the drive-by-wire pedal. Like I stated before, there ain't much throttle movement, but if I mount it up here, I don't think we'll get full throttle, so we're gonna have to make some kind of bracket or something for that. And we got our cable for the drive-by-wire pedal. And we got the check engine light and the data link cable. So we can always tie that up nicely with the rest of the harness, like that. Nice when we get to it. So, ECU and fuse box mounted. Getting close. Okay guys, so we still need a battery. We still need a starter. I bought a starter from GM. Should be shipped here tomorrow. $260 for a starter. Unbelievable. AutoZone was $220. I'd rather buy it from GM for the extra $40 and be done with it. You know. What else did I get from GM? There was something else I had to buy from them. Some kind of adapter, I forgot. As soon as I remember, I'll let you guys know. But the build continues, and that's what we got. So next is going to be drive-by-wire throttle cable. Let me see what kind of brackets and how I can make that up. And we'll tuck the rest of the harness up. And then we just got to run power and grounds. And then we're going to start with the transmission, vehicle speed sensor, and all that kind of stuff. Decoder digital, data link cables, that'll all be coming up soon as we go along. Give you guys updates, how I did it, what I did. And at the end, we'll see if it works. So, my daughter helped me today. I just want to ask her. I just want to tell her I appreciate you for staying with your father, dealing with his craziness. I love you. Do you have anything to say?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next time, everybody, have a great day, a better tomorrow, and peace.
Bye.